Hello from Hengehold Trucks. I present to you this 2022 Ford Transit 350 with 54,801 miles. This vehicle's highlights include a Knapheide KUV Body with power utility door locks, a 12-inch multi-function display with navigation and Bluetooth, plus more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck, it's your business.